Testing microphone. We're gonna test our camera one more time. Heading to church. Let's see the settings. Settings. We're gonna test the settings and see if the setting is good. Testing. Oops. That's Elston. That's mommy right there. That's Elston. That's daddy. We're waiting for. Oops, who's this? Mars? Oh. Rock steady. Okay, happy Sunday again, everybody. Testing. 430k. Okay, 4k. 30 FPS. Okay. Mommy vlog. You want vlog? This is just an informal vlog setup. Gonna see. Actually, we're just gonna keep going and test it out and see if it's good. Okay. See, this is still some of the residuals from last couple of days when it was snowing. Yep. It is still. Today is the Super Bowl, right, Mars? Huh? Is it Super Bowl Sunday? Okay. Today, I have to predict that the Chiefs will not win the game today. What's the other teams? Huh? Eagles? Is that your team, Elston? Huh? Is that Marston's team? Alright, welcome back again. We're stopping by at a store just to get something. But we're still testing the camera. Elston is trying to hide so he doesn't want to be part of the vlog today. But once again, this is just part of the test. We're still trying to test out our vlog camera. Our new action camera. Hopefully this we'll find the time to really master the settings on this camera. But it looks like it's good. It's really portable and I think it's convenient. It's not it's how conspicuous. Okay. See, now I'm just holding you guys on my hand, on my hand. Oh, why does it seem like it's so? I'm gonna put it, you guys. Let's see if that's shaking. Maybe over here. Nope. Maybe over here. Let's see if is it shaking. I'm not gonna be able to tell on the camera, but maybe in post we can see if it's shaking or not. Can you change the AC, please? Okay, I think I know what I need for this camera. ND filters, because it's pretty exposed. If you're shooting in auto, then it's good. If you're not shooting in auto, then you need ND filters. I think that's probably why it's not good to use D-lock settings. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off for now. I really hope it's not shaky. to you guys later. Meto, irit ke wato ben. Irit ke wato. Ah. No, berapa putih fam? We're gonna start our service in just a little bit. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday. Bakisaro. Puya mag ukurare pure farurari kurok nebo. Hi. Okay. Anyway, hope you guys are having a wonderful Sunday. Yes, we're just about to start our service today. Happy Sunday, y'all. Okay, I'll see you guys. All right, we're done again with church service. We're gonna go back to see everybody. Hi, how are you?
Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday. Thanks. Hi.
Happy Sunday, go Philly.
German. Hello.
How you too?
Hey.
Happy Sunday.
Sunday. Can you take mommy's stuff?
Yeah.
How many times can you muster?
I know. Hi. How are you?
Good.
Huh? Why you guys eating pizza?
Oh, because it was Titipo's birthday.
Oh, I see.
Yep. Well,
Okay.
bye guys.
Say bye. Nari Rachar, your cabbage. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, YouTube. Say hi, YouTube. Apa sop ka po? Hi, check sisi. Hah? Ira po tayo picture ka to. Ay. Which one is your team? Huh? Eagles? Okay. All right, let's go test it out again and see if it's clear again. Beto! Kira mo para pasap ka po?
Yep. Happy Sunday, Abby. Viewers, medicine. Happy Sunday,
Hey, okay.
M3E.
Okay. Oh, look guys, we still have snow. We still have snow over here. How's the view? Like, is it oh, you were at Austin? Oh, yes. Okay, see, we're gonna look. These guys are playing in the snow. Oh man, this would be nice to do my music video. Yes, right? Super Bowl Sunday. If you guys have a team, put it in the comment below. Oh boy! Oh no. Okay, but look. Yes. Huh? I don't know. Ask Mars. Oh, this would be a good view in the shooting the video. But yes, I'm gonna be, just look out for my next video. I think I'm gonna be doing this week, hopefully maybe tomorrow or the next day. But if the weather is good and if I have somebody to help me shoot, then yes, I'll be shooting another song. So please look out for that. I'm sorry, Olor. Sorry, no, Olor. You're not gonna be able to join me on this video because you didn't show up. You didn't show up. You said you were gonna show up, but you're not here. So unfortunately, not gonna be in that video. Maybe next time. All right. Hey, where's the key? Okay. Ida, we'll see you guys later. Okay. What's up? What do you want? You want to fight? You want to fight? All right. Turn on the video. Turn on the vehicle because it's too cold.
Are you still?
Masarap rin nak para perfectan. Better kapat check na rin. Okay, mania. Mama Lily, she's gonna go buy some fish. Cause the what?
Beef jerky.
Beef jerky?
Yeah.
Hey.
Ikaw, marene kan ang operto ikaw ikikuto sabi.
Oh, is it for sale? Or
No, I utot sabi, I utot sabi.
oh, okay, thank you. Oh yes, thank you.
Yan ang turo ka mas.
Turkamos pata.
Perfect tayo.
Yes.
May life.
Ang aming life.
Sabi ni baby, nabili para sa tuwaro.
Hey, I saw it.
All right, we got some beef jerky here. We're gonna go try out some beef jerky. Yes. Yes. Who? What?
Did you come over to watch the Super Bowl?
Yeah, it's up to you guys. But we don't have space though, so you guys have to figure out a space. There's too many. Oh, okay. So now we have fish. Okay, gracias, Mama Catherine. Okay, thank you. We're gonna have to go home and enjoy some fish and some beef jerky. Thanks to Mama Catherine and Auntie Catherine for that beef jerky and fish. And then I'm gonna go inside because I'm cold. I'm gonna go inside because I'm cold. Oh, it's very cold. All right. So folks, yeah, hang on tight, Chiefs fans. I'm gonna put you guys on blast and you guys be on YouTube when I put this video out. So I think that's gonna be it for now, guys. I'm gonna go home, eat dinner, check out Kansas fans, and then yeah, once again, hopefully I'm praying that this week we'll have a good weather to allow me to do my music video. It's not, I was hoping to make it this week so we can get that over with. Just another music to bless everyone. But yes, Lord, we'll do it another time. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and do mine because it's been long overdue. This song has been long overdue. No? All right. Okay. Yes. All right. Yes. Got the Jermaine wants to go again to Shoreline. Look. Well, he's already in that car. That boy, he just wants to go to Shoreline. Okay, that's Mars. Hey. All right. We'll see you guys later. Mommy, say hi. I think it looks good now. Yeah. I think it looks good. Okay, you guys ready to go home? It's probably for you guys ready to go and watch some Super Bowl? The losers and yeah, it's probably gonna be boring because Seahawks is not playing. Oh well, it's fine. Okay, all right. You guys say bye. You guys say bye. Bye. Bye, Mom. All right. Bye. Okay. Bye, guys. Chiefs. Are you a Chiefs fan?
No.
What? Are you happy that the Eagles won?
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah. Sorry, guys. It's sad to see the Chiefs that are not. They didn't make it this year. It's okay. Next time. Next time. All right. Okay. Is your nephew with a good Chiefs fans? Huh? Peace out. Say, nephew with good Chiefs, put it up.
Chief, what I need?
Huh?
Kampus ko. Kaya. Apa siya lang bigla. Gay din kapag ay sisig kapag.
Arera pinawa nos ka Chiefs fans.
Iya macam tu. Hari ko ini. Try for fat well. Trade. Kaya sa trade. Mars ko trade. Ay, win Chiefs.
Ye ba chapru? Arri Mars ba chapru?
Eagles. Chiefs. Green Eagles man win.
Yeah, Eagles.
Straight. Sabi na lang win.
Ever.
One singling.
Bara mira fakkan. Sabo pari buat mira fakkan kiri raba ferry. Ke composer. All the good songs that we've sung before. Yes, all the good songs that we've sung before are church. These are the true composers. Right? Game. Send it the latrine.
I'm going to compose. Force very good. So I Jermaine, come!
It's still in the making.
Jermaine!
Look out for those music coming out in Easter. Jermaine! Did you watch the game? You watched the game? Russell? I think it's time for you to close out our video since Marlon is not here. Close it up.
What do I say?
It's up to you, man.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on your post notifications. See you in the next one.
Okay. Alright. Okay, see you in the next one.